Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have 6 DIYs for you, and these are using only Dollar Tree materials. I am preparing this room for my journaling and also a little bit of sewing. So I'm separating this from my main craft area because this is going to be my quiet place. My main craft area, which is also my workspace, my home office, and my YouTube room, will be for the big DIYs that I present here on my channel. Now with the first DIY, here are the items we're going to use. I found this lattice design and it's now in teal, not only in gray. And if you haven't been to your Dollar Tree, check the contact paper. That is a pretty one. I will also use this 11 by 14 silver frame. By the way, it used to be just in black, but it's also in silver frame. And I'm just going to be cutting the contact paper to size using the backing as my guide. And then I'm just going to be inserting it, putting back the backing, and voila, that's the end of the first DIY. Quick and simple. And then this is what I'm going to be using as my message board, my to-do list, or my schedule board, using my dry erase marker. Now for the second DIY, it's not for organization, but it is a mirror. So what I'm going to be using is one of that 11 by 14 silver frame again. And this mirror is from the Dollar Tree, and I don't really like the frame, so I'm just going to be upgrading the frame using that silver frame. I didn't even remove the original frame. What I've done is I just remove the glass and the backing of the silver frame, and then I inserted the mirror. Now for some reason I lost the hook or the hanging hook, so I just used the one from the frame. And this one, actually, this is from an old footage, but I know that I have new subscribers here in my channel. So what I've done is I am using this shower caddy from the Dollar Tree and this kind of faux wood clip photo frame, and I hot glued them together. Now for my next DIY, I have this wired basket that you can also get at the Dollar Tree. I purchased 4 of this, so I'm connecting them using zip ties. So I connected 2 first, and then I connected the same way the other 2, and then connected them in the center this way. That's it. Now for my next DIY, I'm using this plastic tray with 3 dividers, and I am just cutting the extra paper to cover the bottom of the tray so that it will kind of have a little bit of decoration and it will blend well in the space. So just a tip for you, quick decor: upgrade those plastic or acrylic trays and make them pretty. And then this is where I put my other items. And here is a glass square vase or candle holder, and I wrapped it the same way, but I didn't cover the whole thing. I just wrapped the middle and then put my pens there. And here is the finished area. Well, I don't know about finished. It is a work in progress, but this is the initial setup that I am thinking of. And using my favorite color, I set this up using that lattice design contact paper. And our wall is textured and it has flat paint. It's a builder's paint. So I'm not sure if that is the type of wall you have. So far so good. It's holding up well. And I was gonna frame it with some wood molding just to give it a little bit of dimension, but I figured I'll just keep it simple. See here, that's the textured wall, and it's a flat paint. I don't know if it's going to work on glossy or semi-gloss paint. I haven't tested it out there yet. This is the first time I'm using it on the wall. So what I've done is these 4 wire baskets that I got from the Dollar Tree that I connected with zip ties, I just hung them using push pins on to the wall. And this is the perfect size. That's why I chose this size. This basket actually comes in 3 sizes. There are long ones, and then there are the smaller ones, and this is the medium size. And I like the medium size better because, again, when you connect 4, you can fit them. It's the right width with the contact paper. I only use 3/4 of the contact paper roll here. And I used it to organize my scissors, my awl, my hole puncher, my magnifying glass, my wire cutter, and I can add some more here. You can even add a basket, hang it here. You know, those pencil holders that have holes that you can get at Target Dollar Spot, or even the Dollar Tree sells them as well. You can hook them up there using an S hook, or you can tie it up with zip tie as well. As you can see, this is perfect for this. I've always been kind of in a dilemma how I can display or organize these items here, and right now I'm liking this new system, and it keeps them secure, especially the ones with a pointed end like my awl. It fits there and I don't have to worry about getting poked. It's kind of like a pegboard, but it's made of wire baskets, okay? And I've always wanted to do this using Dollar Tree items, and I am so glad that this just happened. This is just a light bulb moment for me when I was decorating this room the other day. And I'm just showing here again the push pins that I used, and I was able to find the matching push pins, but you can certainly use nails or even command hooks to hang these wire baskets here. Now here at the bottom I have hung this one here that I created using this faux clipboard photo frame where I can put a picture, an inspiration, hang fabric samples. Then I just use those plastic baskets that the Dollar Tree sells for 3 in a pack, and actually sometimes they have 4 or 5 in a pack. So watch out for those extra or bonus deals. So this is where I use to organize my small ribbons, my elastics, my threads, my twines. Now this is a message board that is erasable using a dry erase marker, and I've done a DIY on this for my command center in a smaller scale, and where I used and I attached also a wire basket that I cut, and I use it to hang pictures or notes, and I will be linking it up here in case you are interested in that DIY. You can certainly use that, but this one, the 11 by 14, I can write more information here. As far as decorating around it, I use some stickers or wall decals from the Dollar Tree. Now, excuse the mirror, it has some streaks. I'm going to be cleaning that up, but I put a mirror here just to add a little bit of brightness so that it can bounce the light from the window, and it sort of balances the room as well. Now onto the desk. Okay, I decorated this with items that are not just beautiful but also are functional. This is my glue gun stand. If you haven't seen my DIY yet, I'm going to be linking it up here as well. And I created this only with Dollar Tree items, and notice I have a new glue gun. Yep, I decided to give the other glue gun a rest, but I didn't throw it away. It has seen better years. Now you can add another glass there, kind of like that one. That's very similar to this one, and you can actually put more glue sticks there if you use colored glue sticks. I have brown and black glue sticks. As a matter of fact, I'm probably gonna put another container there, another glass jar, and put my colored glue sticks. So this one is from the 99 cents only store. It has a votive candle holder, and I placed this Dollar Tree lighted rose. To the left of the glue gun stand is the acrylic tray that I decorated with the same contact paper. I also have this wooden plaque that says "You were born to sparkle," and it works well in this space. Now I want to show you this hand fan because I really like this a lot. First of all, because it matches the color scheme, my favorite color. Second of all, it's rechargeable. Third of all, it's non-obtrusive. It is actually small. I like that this works perfectly in this space. So there is a dock that you can put on that will act as a stand, and then here is the USB cord. You can charge it with your power cord adapter if you have an iPhone or an Android, or even connect it to your laptop. It can charge there, or even your PC. And this one has 5 settings, and you can see those lights there. There are 4 battery indicators, so for the power, and I still have 3 more, and I've been using this for quite some time now, and I haven't even charged it just once. As you can see, the power cord is still wrapped up or coiled. So if you want to have something similar that is small enough to carry, very compact, and doesn't eat up too much space, I will be linking down below the product information so that you know where to get it, and I think I have a bit of a discount too. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share to anyone that you think may be interested in this similar setup, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to click that notification bell after you click the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. And for my returning subscribers, thanks a lot. Thanks again. Please leave me a comment down below what you think about this space. Have a nice day, everyone. God bless. Talk to you again on my next video. Bye-bye.